Good evening, this is Ashutosh Sharma, SBI PO. Welcome to today's free English class. If someone is new to this channel, then let me tell you that every day I provide free English class on YouTube in which we discuss different important topics of English section for prelims as well as mains. So if you are new to this channel and watching my video for the first time, then do click on the subscribe button to never miss a daily English class again. Today we are going to cover a very important topic, which is cloze test. Cloze test questions are coming every year in prelims as well as mains. So what happens in cloze test is that you are given a passage or a paragraph just like this, in which there will be blanks. There will be a serial number along with the blanks. You have to fill these blanks using the answer options which will be provided along with the paragraph. So one important tip which you must remember when answering cloze test questions is that you don't have to read the entire paragraph in one go. Many candidates make this mistake that they start reading the paragraph and finish it till the end. Then they will again read sentence by sentence to answer the questions. No, this is not the right approach. You have to answer the questions by reading one sentence at a time. So first you read this sentence till here and answer the blank given over here. Then you move on to the next sentence. Treat these sentences as individual questions instead of reading it in one go. So this is one important tip to save time during the actual exam when you are giving the exam. So today's cloze test is about a topic called artificial intelligence. You must be knowing what it is. So let's start. Artificial intelligence, AI, has blank immense potential to revolutionize various industries. So over here we have a blank and we have to fill it. I have provided answer options over here. So you can see artificial intelligence has blank. Now one of these options is going to fit over here. I am giving you time for a few seconds so that you can think on your own. Then I'll tell you the right answer. So the correct answer for this is option number A, demonstrated. Artificial intelligence has demonstrated immense potential to revolutionize various industries. So let's move on to the second one. It has the capability to blank complex tasks, process vast amounts of data, and make intelligent decisions. So over here we have to fill this blank. It has the capability to dash complex tasks. We are going to read it till here only instead of including entire sentence because it is going to confuse you. So read it from here till here. It has the capability to blank complex tasks. So what is going to be the correct answer for this? It has the capability to, is it going to be automate or simplify or complicate or expedite? If you know that what is artificial intelligence, then you will be able to answer it very quickly. It has the capability to simplify complex tasks. We will be using simplify over here because it will be opposite in meaning to the word complex. So what it is doing is that it has the capability to simplify complex tasks. So the correct answer will be simplify. Let's move on to the third sentence. However, the dash development of AI also raises concerns and ethical dilemmas. So over here they have given a negative statement. The dash development of AI also raises concerns and ethical dilemmas. So option number blank number 3's options I am telling you. Widespread, gradual, negligible, or sporadic. So I am giving you a few seconds to answer this on your own. Then I'll tell you the right answer. The correct answer is option number A, widespread. Let's move on to the next question. one of the dash challenges is the ethical implications of AI. So the options are: option number A is foremost, option number B is trivial, option number C is key, option number D is uninteresting. I am again giving you a few seconds to answer this on your own. One of the dash challenges is the ethical implications of AI. So the correct answer is going to be option number C, key. One of the key challenges. Now let's move on to the next sentence. Ethical conditions such as privacy, data security and transparency need to be addressed to blank public trust in AI. The options are these: retain, regain, restore or reconnect. Now I am giving you a very important tip for answering such questions. First of all, don't look at the answer options. Try to read the sentence only and try to think that what kind of word could fit in over here. So if we read just the sentence, then the sentence says ethical conditions such as privacy, data security and transparency need to be addressed to blank public trust in AI. So we are talking about public trust. We need to address this to, we have to do something to public trust. So what are we going to do? We have to keep it. This is what comes to our mind, that we have to keep the public trust in AI. We don't have to let the public stop trusting AI. So after reading this, then we look at the options: retain, regain, restore, reconnect. Instantly it should come to your mind, the answer will be option number A, retain, which is keeping. So the answer will be option number A, retain. Now next sentence, another blank is the impact of AI on employment. While AI can automate certain tasks, it also has the potential to blank jobs in various industries. So you don't have to read the entire sentence in one go because it has two blanks. So first we only read till this comma over here. Try to read till the commas are there, because commas actually give pauses to the sentence. So the sentence till here is going to have a particular meaning and we can stick to it to answer this blank. So another dash is the impact of AI on employment. So the options are given over here: advantage, benefit, obstacle, result. As you can see that earlier we are talking in a negative way about AI, so this is continuing in the passage. And also if you read the options, then you will see that advantage and benefit, they both mean the same. So this cannot be the answer, because if we take advantage, then benefit will also be right, because both are just synonyms of each other. So the correct answer will be option number C, obstacle. Another obstacle is the impact of AI on employment. So the correct answer will be obstacle, because we all know that AI is going to take up jobs, so it is a obstacle in the employment sector. So while AI can automate certain tasks, it also has the potential to dash jobs in various industries. So if you don't look at the options right now, just think that what could be the answer in this blank. So he's talking, the author is saying that AI can automate tasks. It also has the potential to dash jobs in various industries. We all know that AI is going to take up the jobs. It is going to snatch the jobs. It is going to take away the jobs. So it will reduce the jobs. So then after thinking all this, now we are going to look at the options. It also has the potential to eliminate, create, facilitate, D, none of these. So instantly after thinking like this, then when you will go on to look at the options, you will be able to mark the correct answer, which is eliminate. It will eliminate jobs. As we all know that artificial intelligence, it is an obstacle to employment. employment, which means it is going to reduce jobs, which means it will eliminate jobs. So now we move on to the last blank. I'll leave this for you to answer. Furthermore, the blank of AI regulations is a critical aspect. So let's look at the options. First, you spend some seconds just reading this and thinking that what can come over here, what kind of word should come over here. Then you look at the options. These are the options: implementation, omission, formulation, specification. So I am leaving this last blank for you to answer. You tell it to me in the comments. I'll be replying to your comment and telling you that if you have answered correctly or not. Now, one very important thing, that reading comprehension and cloze test. These are the two most repeated topics in all bank exams, prelims as well as mains. So if you are able to master reading comprehension and cloze test questions, then you will be able to score good marks in English. Now I am suggesting a very good source for practice of reading comprehension questions as well as cloze test questions which are of exam level. So I am sharing the link of that book in the description and the comment section. You can get the book from over there. Back when I was preparing for bank exams, I had no source for practicing exam level questions of reading comprehension. I practiced from the Toppers ebook, but it had very few questions of reading comprehension actually. So I had to look for a number of places. I had to do a lot of research to find the questions, and I could not find a lot of exam level questions. But now I have found a very good source for you, and it has all the exam level questions of reading comprehension. So reading comprehension or RC plus cloze test. So this source has all the practice questions which are of exam level for reading comprehension and RC. You can get the book using the link which I am providing, and you will be able to practice a lot of questions from over there, and it is going to improve your English to a great extent. So you can use the link to get that book and start preparing from today itself. Till then, keep preparing, keep practicing. All the best.